All right, 9:30. Oh, that's a while. Throwing a short way up here. 9:30. Day 6. Evaluation at trade day. Trying to get funded. We're up just under $2,000. We gotta get to 5. Just sat down. I was kind of thinking last night that I shouldn't really trade in the first half an hour, so I just put this way up, kind of out of range. Haven't really had the best luck in the first few trades of the day. Sure my volume's down on my computer here. Yep, let's make sure the guy that said trade fill doesn't yell too loud in everyone's ear this time. Alright, we don't need to do that. Let's put this back to here. So that's 35 ticks up, which is 8.75 points for profit, minus 30 points on stops. Minus 7.5 ticks, or 7.5 points, 30 ticks. $5 a tick. This seems, I can never, I don't know, if you watch any of these, I get a hard time making my charts the way I like them for some reason. Blocking the glare, shutting the curtain. Well, I canceled my bet, but I was up here. Oh, it's close. $18,100 and change. Ooh, is this getting all-time high territory? You wanna know what? I don't want to know, because I don't bet well on all-time high territories. I just want to bet short no matter what. I don't let data tell me what to do. I just do what I want to do, and it's bet short. All-time high, short. Over and over and over and over. And I had some practice sessions where I blew my account like really badly. And got really angry and just would not refuse to believe it. The market's all screwed up when I can't see the whole thing. It's too big. There we go. Well, if you've watched any of these, you know I like to draw my lines, and you know I like to make up my stories. So that one seems kind of like, oh, that's nice. Right on the peak. Right on the bottom of the box. I'm not playing with you. I know you don't need food because I already fed you. It's definitely those birds that fire you up, isn't it? Huh? You got murder in your heart, Booze. Kitty, I can see it. Huh? I see it. Definitely not pushing anything in the early minutes. I realize I make a lot of mistakes in the early minutes. So not even, barely even looking to make anything. Now, no, don't go over there. I've also stated numerous times that I'm 4 weeks into I took 2-week trials, and then I'm on my first evaluation now. So I don't really know what I'm doing. Well, I kind of know what I'm doing. But I like to draw lines. I like to make up stories, and my theory is, if your story's good, well, then you got a chance of winning. because your story will put you on the right side of the bets. So I'm not going to bet this, but I wonder if this is going to hold as a resistance line right now. I don't expect it to, because if it doesn't, I can just draw this line. Like, oh yeah, now that I do say that. Ah! I still got a little bit of a glare. See in that corner. There we go. And I'm thinking after I watched my video from last night. You probably don't need to draw lines while the bars are still forming. You should probably let them form before you start drawing a line off it. Yeah, that probably looks more sense. Yeah. Yeah, there we go. Now this makes sense. How about we buy one here and sell one here? Oh, this even has like multiple points. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this one, maybe 1, or I call this 1. I call clusters 1. If it's not a cluster, that's like 1, 2, 3, almost 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's a lot of bang, bang, bang up to the top of this wall here. This chart's like la 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 la, poof, la la, poof, la, and hold on.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Wow. Wow. Try that again. Oh, we got one. We're gonna win more than we lose. We're up too high. 44. Not really. What are you trying to do? You want to climb on my lap? There's nothing on this side of the table for you to touch, alright? You can have this side of the table. Alright? Yes, you're good. Well, I didn't even have time to think about. You know, it's kind of volatile in the morning, right? I just started this one. Yes, this was a new one I made last night. I was like, I should try this one. So that'd be 60 ticks, 15 points, minus 8 1/4. Should I? Yeah, let's try it. Then we can move it up if it's coming up again. Now, when it's like boom, 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 without even really going down, I worry that this line's going to fail. But right now, my stop loss is 7.5 points up right now, and this is my profit, and it's 8 3/4 points down. So, you know, these are all these. Once they hit, came down easily to that before they. I don't need huge wins. Because sometimes I like to make a lot of bets. Trying to make sure I'm recording things properly. Recording. Mic's on. Right thing. Alright. I'm going to open up a second window here. My multi-screen. Just, oh, I I got a 5-minute chart on this one that I'll try to pay attention to, but probably won't. I'm still new enough. I haven't built some crazy system yet. I'd like one of those 4 or 6 monitor setups, all on stands. So over here, these are orders that I'm waiting to get filled. So I'm waiting to get filled at 43 3/4. Like I said earlier, that's my stop, that's my win. Here I'm trying to buy. That's my stop, that's my win. And you can tell because my win is higher than my stop. So if you see this, you're like, which one's which? Well, the bigger number is the side I'm trying to get to. And the less distance is the side that I'm going to lose on. And then over here, this is called the DOM, or the Super DOM. It's the way I like looking at things. And these are all the contracts available at all these prices. Not sure most of you know this, but just in case there's some newbies. Let's scroll this down to the profits. Oh, there we go. There we go. Wow, this is a lot tamer than yesterday. I almost skipped the morning because I was like, I just get screwed at 9:30. I'm going to sleep in. But then I figured I'd sit and watch. And this is way, way tamer than yesterday. I think I've kind of noticed that there seems to be an ebb and flow. Like Mondays, it's like nobody wants to get their brains blown out on Monday. So Mondays seem to be a little relaxed. And then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, most likely utter chaos. I haven't looked enough to know, but yesterday it was absolute chaos. Tuesday, I had a great day on Tuesday, so Tuesday, I don't know, probably chaos. And then this is really, this is like 11 a.m. action here. Let's do a little rundown, shall we? Let's see where we're at. All right. So if I go back to, I always do that wrong. So last week, this was when I was on my 14-day trial, and it's got no data. If you want to know what? I did 2 trials with 2 different, like 2 email addresses. Don't tell anybody. Okay, yeah, it's all erased. It's all erased. Okay. So, no, I'm in the wrong month. What the heck's going on here? Here. Oh, now we're all screwed up here. Doesn't want to load. Not missing anything? I'll try that again. What? There we go. Alright. I don't know what that was. I'm just going to ignore it. Okay. 16th was the day we started. This just doesn't want to load right now. Alright. That's what it is. You can come back and check it later. Bets are still live. Make that screen full. We got some birds in the background, a little stream to keep us calm. I tried to get down here, just couldn't do it. So here's something we talked about yesterday. So I wanted it in here, right? Well, there it was, say, 43. Now I want in there, and now it's like 48. So you put in, and I got screwed. I couldn't figure out one of my losing bets. I got matched like way down here. I'm like, why? And I had even talked about it. I can't believe I didn't figure it out. But after I watched the tape, I realized that, this line moves, right? So if this doesn't get to the line till like over here, and you're trying to buy here, well, like I said, here you're 42 and here you're 54. So if it takes a few minutes to get to the line, you got to move your thing up if you really want that line. And I do want the line. So we're going to move it up. And maybe it's not going to get to the line because that'd be too easy for people thinking what I'm thinking. And now look at this. So 10. Oh, I said that bad. Because I think I said it back here, and back there it was closer to 4. Whew. Or maybe I just moved it and wasn't paying attention. So if it gets there here, now I need like 13, and I'm at 8. Yeah, so I probably anticipated when I made this. I was probably just like, oh, let me put it down here a few minutes away. Now let's see if this works now. So, yep, that's good. Open this up. February 16th. Alright, so this was day 1 of my trial. 36 and 32. Plus 500. 68 trades. Then Monday was a holiday, and it was just like literally trading at like 3 in the morning. It was just dead, slow, tiring, boring. I was taking, so I went 11 and 4. Some of these might be doubles, like I don't know. No, I'm not gonna worry about that. 11 and 4, 116 bucks because I was taking 60 and losing 116. So I don't know, it was just boring. It was a really tiring day, to be honest with you. Ah, why did I hit that? What? Oh, all my screens are. No, but why do you try to get there? There's literally no room for you to go. Do I still want this? He's like looking at the other side of the table. I have an L desk. And there's my mouse pad and the laptop, glasses, drinking glasses, speakers, lamps. Scram! There's something for you there. Yes, that's a nice booby kitty. So I gotta get this up to 14 if I want it now. Well, at least it moves those with it. I'm a little nervous of that. No, I'll let it ride. Alright. Back to this again, shall we? See if we get this finished off. So we saw day 1, we saw day 2, day 3. Oh yeah. Now these are double counted. Like there's times in here where I had 2 contracts and it traded, it split it into ones, you know, right here. 280s. This was.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh shit, we're in. So I was more like 15 and 5. Whatever, crazy day. I can't believe I won that many bets. Plus 1200. This was oh my god, this was the biggest grind ever. 15 and 17. Plus 10 bucks. Yeah, boy. Didn't lose. I didn't lose. And then yesterday was a 3-hour slugfest where I actually made one. I got an accidental trade after I turned off my stream, and I was just sitting here reading, dicking around on my phone, and it ended up being a winner. So I ended up plus 144, 18 and 21. No, wait, I can't see the corner still. Ow! I don't like this anymore. so I reset my alarm too. I want to try and get off this bet because it breaks through my line. I don't know if I can get this to 105. I would like that. Now that it's up there, I'm going to move this up. Do I really not like it, or am I forcing it? I don't know. Just go up to like $100 and I don't like it anymore. It broke the line. I want it above the line. Give me $60. Fuck it. Give me off this bet. Give me off. Come on up. I want to reset. I want to reset.
Stop field.
We tried. Yeah. We're up $15 now. Maybe I should have watched it more instead of checking my stats. You going short off this line now? I don't know, sometimes, I don't know, it seemed to work this kind of stuff the other day, so let's try it. Hold on here, let me put it there. Yeah, so let's just make it this way. That completely changes. That was an annoying one. I didn't want to. I tried to get off. I think I was into a little bit of plus, or is it even, and I was too slow. And I like to move my minus 150s to minus 100s, and I do that often. And I checked the stats one day on doing that. It didn't really hurt me because a lot of times it would have got to losing 50 anyways, or losing 150. You know what I mean? Just having a hard time getting traction over this 2K. Buying this line again. I'm a glutton. And now that I think about it too, that was a little, was it too steep? No, not really. No, it wasn't. It wasn't too steep. I just broke it. Now I'm going to draw it here. And it's probably going to go back up to at least here, I bet. Yeah, I think, you want to know what? How about little half bets like this? I got to start using this one a little more. This is the MNQ, micro. The micro. Same market, same numbers. I think this is going back up to here. Enough to bet it? Well, you got this one. I don't know, just something to think about. Adding bets there on maybe things you kind of think, but you don't want to go full contracts on. And I was also thinking it'd be good to use this to set up like huge plays. Like buying here and selling here on the micro. Get like, I'll grab like 30 points on that thing or something. am I now? Up below the line. Now I gotta get up to here. Oh, now I'm like above the
Order filled.
So I was above the line there. Because I moved it over to here for some reason. Alright, let's get a win here. Come on. Now I want this line to hold. Hold. Alright. I'm not gonna get greedy. I'm gonna think. Oh shit. You wanna know what? If this line holds, if it is going up 100% to at least half, which puts it there. So I'm gonna move that up to around there. Oh no.
Stop filled. Stop filled.
Oh, it's gone. No, we missed that. We tried. Cancel this, cancel this. Now we're down. We tried to get that. Just a little too slow. Come over here and hit this. That's usually how it goes, right? The line just didn't hold. Bad bet? I don't know, maybe. You wanna know what? This is why it was a bad bet. Because even after we adjusted, it hit this line, barely went up, and then broke because it didn't have enough momentum to get up to where it wanted to go. Got repelled yeah, I'm gonna start thinking about that. Take a note of that. This is a note to myself. If it touches the line and then it only goes up like a third and then comes back down to the line, that line is not safe. That's not a safe line to bet. Now is this the green bar that fills this back up to here? Probably. Let's keep watching this bar. Oh, it's gonna turn. Oh, it turned. It's funny, like I said, I've only been at this a month, but maybe 4.5 weeks. But you start noticing patterns, and one of the patterns I seem to notice is when there's big, huge moves like this, then it's like 2 candles or whatever, the next 2 just make it up, or it continues falling, and then at some point when it pulls back it's gonna like come up to here. I'm gonna fill all these up, but I've been trying to time the bottom and I've been just timing it poorly, so I should have skipped the first half hour because I'm down $140. Yeah, I'm done between 9:30 and 10. I'm not even a morning person anyways. The morning's gonna fuck off. Right, Booba Kitty? See? You know. Yeah, you know. He's laying on the table. Whacking his tail on the computer a little bit. Having a good day, Booba Kitty? You are having a good day. What side do you think we should bet? Red or green? You don't know. Alright. this is... The longer I play this, the harder I realize it actually is. I don't like... My chart's off. Screw it up. So we lost 1 because we had this line way up here. 2 because the line broke. That was just a little dab. Oh man, that could have been a monster. Even just on that stick. 36 down to 27, 28. 36 more. That's 180 more bucks just there. Not including all that nonsense. Lower low, lower low, even. I think this is the pushback.
Stop filled.
Alright, we're in. Just get back up to here. Come on. I don't know why I thought that was the pushback, but I did. I've been waiting for it. Hold. How much time? 12 seconds. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Order filled.
Fully. Now, I always like to say, well, should I run that longer? Well, you got it matched in like 15 seconds, so that had going for it. You just said that, you know, it's going to... Here we go. Like I just said over here, we're going to be one, it's going to go down, and when it starts going up, there's going to be 1 or 2 candles that make up for all the loss. And there it was. That's what I thought that. That's why I hopped on there. That's what I thought I was seeing. And this might be the top. Or, so let's see. So the top could be even with this. It could be even with this. It could be a little bit lower than this. It could be a little bit lower than this. That's just my theory of where it should be. Or a little bit higher than this. Right? I don't know. Like I said, just make up stories, and whoever makes up the best story wins. I'd love to get up. I don't know, another 500, 600, 800 bucks today. 1,000. My best day so far was 1,200. That's a nice top too. Just even with that, even with this. Now here, it's probably going to make, I don't know, I think it's going to stay, do I know? I don't know. It could break out of here, it could break out of here. I was going to say it's going to stay in this range. Kind of weird that the opening bell, you know, these wicks or candles, whatever you want to call them, these ranges are pretty narrow at like, you know, 931. 33, 4, where's 30? Okay, there's the bottom. Yeah, there's 930. That's the smallest open I've seen in a long time. And then these huge big things. You wanna know what? Maybe the big boys take the morning off on Friday because it's Friday. They're lazy too. They've been cleaning us up all week and getting tired of us beating us down. So like, let's give those guys a morning to themselves for 10 minutes. So I do like to try and draw trends before they start, which is probably not smart because you make decisions based on things that aren't really trends. Stop doing that. Yeah, that's good. I gotta talk to myself more than I talk to you. Because like I said, I watch these to learn from. So, here we are. Up $30. 2 and 2. Alright, because of the fees. So we took two 175s. 175s are fullies. We lost two 150s. So we're up 50 minus the fees, leaves us $31 of big time money. Monster day. What are you doing now? Let's watch this. I want to watch this sometimes too. I need a taller screen so I can fit this whole thing in here. I can't fit the whole thing in. Right? Scroll down. There's still numbers down here. I want to see them all. Sometimes you see like 89 contracts. You're like, oh, who the heck's 89 contracts? Or like, here's a 50, and here's a 50, there's an 80, and there's 100. It's like, oh, okay, yeah, layering in. I don't think that's your neighbor layering in for 250 contracts. It could be, but I don't know. Like I said, just making up stories. So this looks weak to me. It's all thins, all single digits. Oh, see, it all just evaporated. See that again, or we're gonna try something stupid. Let's get back to this again. If I see like this whole queue, just single numbers, that can't be strong enough. Like that's too weak. I just got to go through that because it's not. Okay, I was wrong. I was wrong on that one. Sorry, I was looking at the fish tanks. I got a fish chasing a fish, and it's a kind of weird fish chasing one I've never seen him chase before. Alright, what are we doing? Yeah, I want to start. So my interpretation of this is how many contracts are available on both sides. So this side right now is 400 people. Oh, it changes so fast. There, 400. Trying to push down 280. Am I reading that right? And honestly, when I ever do notice this, it seems to be inverse. Like when it was breaking new highs and I was getting slaughtered trying to bet against them, it was 700 on this side and 350 on this side, and it was just going through the roof. So maybe these are on opposite sides? I don't know. But logically, it seems like there's 321 contracts on this side, and there's 380 contracts on this side. Which means, obviously when you add these up, there's one's hidden down here. And it's funny, if you hang out up here, like say here, and watch this, sometimes when it like reveals some numbers, you see really big monsters hidden in there. Whoa! Huh, stop looking at that. I was looking at the other one for so long and didn't notice this part. Alright, So is something starting to form here? This seems more navigable, if that's a word, than this. Even though we squeezed out a bend there. It's hard with these big giant ones. These ones, like, okay, well, it's going down, so let me pick a point. Do you trust this? Ah, fuck, I guess. I guess I gotta. Now here's another note for myself. When it like marches like that, does it have a better chance of going through? Versus just like, no, that did, no. So I was kind of thinking the opposite of this. Like this is kind of like this. Oh, that's kind of a big one. I don't know. I'm just making up stories. Maybe a little. I didn't get low enough there. Now that. Okay. Low. Higher low. High. Higher high. Maybe. Is that worth a little bit over here? Down to 70. In the 75 range? Come on. Get moving. Oh, you're stupid. Sure. Ow, it got away. And that was here too. Nope, sorry, look, that was up here. 75. Oh, it's coming back down.
Order filled.
What's our max loss on this? 60? 60. Max win, 75. 100. Sure. Oh, well, I'm looking at the wrong chart. No, that's fine. 88. Where's 88? 88. Yeah, I don't see why not. I don't see why that's not possible. Alright. Oh no.
Stop filled.
Glad it was only 60. I feel like I saved $90 with that little experiment. Hopefully you guys can hear the guy in the stop filled guy. So when he says stop filled, that's a loss. Up or down, no matter what you bet, stop filled, loss. I figure out what he says when you win. We need, you know what I need? Like 2, 3, 4 wins in a row. Bump this up to 102.8. Go, and then once you get to 102.8, you go over here to the micro, and you say, once I lose $200, I'm out. I'm either winning 6 or more. Fuck that. Get me the halfway point. This is kind of, let's get at our trusty line maker, shall we? I'm going to draw a line here, and I expect you to respect it, NASDAQ. Hold on, let me draw it off this active candle. That seems like a really good idea to do. Oh, do you want to know what's annoying? Remember when we bought over here? We said higher, low, higher, high, and we expected it to go up here. But it swung down. We didn't have our stop loss far enough away. It was only 60. Maybe we could have moved it out. We bought at 75, so we bought here. 75 and change, maybe. Went down to 66, so 9, 36 times. Yeah, I could have moved it to like $80 and could have avoided that. And it had to go to 88. So maybe if I'm on here, the micro, I should move my stop loss out a bit, because my stop losses are tight. To me, 7.5 points is tight. I don't know what other people aim for or shoot for, but that's just what I was messing around with them here. And 20 was stupid. Like, that was just like impossible. I'd make a bet and lose in 2 seconds every time. And then I went to 30, and then I was like, oh, I don't know, it was too hard to get 50. And then I went to try this, and those just never happened. And then this seemed too hard, and then I settled in on 35-30. Then I made that last night. So that's kind of, and then I'll move my stop loss around depending on what I feel. I'm not afraid. I don't think the rule of never moving your stop loss and I don't think that's a good rule. You can move it under certain circumstances. But not under the, I don't know, yeah, I don't know. Change of thought. Fucking hell, this was going to get up to here. So it's either going to max out here, it's going to get to this line, and this line isn't really drawing off anything, so just don't make any decisions on that one. So we had that right in here, we just didn't execute properly. That's too bad. Yeah, I went up to 89, so we got matched at 88. Yeah, I'm just checking here. Oh, I'm on 50-30 here. Let's change this one, shall we? Because our stop loss is out so much. Let's go. Let's keep the 50. And we'll do 40. And we'll move that up to 40. That's on the micro. Alright, so it didn't get as high as we wanted. Alright, let's draw that. Yep. I take this right here, maybe. Swing it up this way. There. Yeah, let this let that candle finish. I bet you that's the bottom. I don't care if it's finished. I'm doing it. It. It's already 9 points away. Damn. Alright, 20. I don't know what that bet is anymore. I'll just cancel all that. Cancel everything. Start over. We almost timed that bottom there. Because the one thing that seems to me is these lines can have multiple use. Like, let's just say this breaks here, right? Breaks here. Maybe this isn't the best example, but just picture something like this that is valid. Maybe this isn't valid because it's so short. I don't know. But something like this that's valid. This breaks here. It fucks around down here. Blah, 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 blah. And then like an hour later, comes out the other end, and if you extend that line all the way out, it's like all of a sudden that line matters again. So I like to draw these out, keep tabs on them, and then at some point it will lose validity. I think that's how it works. But for now, we got some touches. We got some fight to the top. Touches. Fight to the top. Touches. Probably fight to the top. We get a third touch up here. Well, we're going to find out. So this is a little different than my strategy before. It was like making trades once every minute or two. Hell, even day one of this, I made 68 trades. And I don't think I made 68 trades this entire week. No, I have. I made 30 yesterday. Yeah, no, I totally did. I think making 30 to 40 trades in a session to me would be like a good thing to aim for. I don't want to sit around waiting for 3 trades and trying to get the hugest score ever. I'd rather make a lot of winning trades than one huge winning trade. So we're short in here, we long in here. Fuck, man, I don't know. I don't know. Let's check some messages. Checking it out. Fuck, no, we're not. Tell that fucking shit. Oh no, wrong side!
Stop filled.
Did we get lucky? Maybe. I'll take a small win because that was an accident. Oh, come on! It was an accident! Oh, I tried! I'm on the wrong side! What's this? Ah, oh, for fuck's sakes. That's why I don't like this thing. I always hit the wrong one. Not always, but I have. Ah, this is gonna bug me. I might as well win something. $5. Gotta pay some bills.
Order
I was
filled.
trying to pull that down just for the record. This
Order filled.
Bug me right now. Cancel everything. Start the fuck over. Jesus fucking, that's so annoying. So you hit the wrong side. It actually goes against you. You cancel it before it gets there. You tried to get 100. You would have been happy with 100. Alright, we gotta keep track of this. Minus 3,000 in a row. Down $40. Alright, I can't cry too much about that. What was my loss there? So why was it 2? 2 12s. Alright, that's it. Just now? No. You know what? I think that was exactly even. That's why it's not there. Or it's so it was $0 or $5. You can't even see it. Alright. Now, is this line valid? I don't think so. 3 touches, fine, but you're talking 9, 10 to, you're talking 20 minutes. I don't know. I think this is the question I need to figure out. If 20-minute charts matter. And my gut tells me probably not. So do I want to short off this? Kinda do. Are you gonna? Yeah. Why not? Wow, hit the right side. Imagine that. Going short off there. This big damn candle.
Order filled. Order filled.
That was an MQ bet. That should have been over here. Why is this?
Stop filled.
Get out of here. You're bugging me. This is a big fat fucking line. New what? Get this fucking thing out of here. What are all these yellow lines going across? Wrecking my views. Where are you? Exit. Exit. I didn't order this. Oh. Oh, never mind. That's what happens when I do that. Okay. It like shows my points. Alright. I'll accept you this time. So that was dumb? Yeah, it was dumb. Do you know why? Because now it's just going this way. And you don't know what it has now? A longer time frame. Sort of. By a couple minutes. Alright, we need a win. I'm on day 6 and I haven't had a losing day yet today. Losing day in my 5 days, but one day was plus $10, so we can just call that a tie. And a couple days went plus $100. So I'm not going to brag too much about that in this game. I almost want to call that a tie. So I'm going to go with 2-0-3 plus 1785. Yeah, that was dumb. Why am I drawing lines with only 2 things? Get the fuck out of here. You only got 2. You need 3 to matter. Yeah, I'm losing my mojo today. 2 and 4. Yeah, this is a bit slow. Get out of here. So we started 1-0, and since that we're 1-3. And 1. I made 7 trades. What was the tie? Just paid $5. Right here. You can't even open it. I guess I can open it. Minus 150. Well, now we're moving. Oh, 72. I want to be where that guy was.
Order filled.
Only because I had a copy and that wasn't the best. That wasn't like a bet that I decided. I just saw 72 and just matched it. Give me 100. Come on, give me 100. Give me 100. Give me 100.
Order filled.
When I practice traded, I just traded off this a lot of times. Just watching this and feeling it, and watching it and feeling the groove. Sometimes those charts can fuck you up. The Dom doesn't lie. The super Dom doesn't lie. Oh, that was kind of weird there. It's kind of got like a little accordion feel to it. And sometimes you see like big giant blockers, like that 72. I just went right through it, didn't care. So you just see 4s and 3s and 2s, but I got a feeling it's like, I don't know, 50s, 100s, or I don't even know how many are getting matched. Oh, big drop there. Yeah, I need a full vertical monitor. I want to watch this entire thing. Oh shit, look at you. Oh, it's coming down to this line that I drew with, it's gonna have 1 point on it. 1 point lines are the most valid lines they have. That's funny. Can you turn it around now? Yeah, you're fucking turning around. That was slow. Did you see that lag? No, you didn't.
Order filled.
Okay, I'm just going off the dom here. Let's take $100 wins. Easy wins. $100, $80. If I see this like crinkle up to here, I'll drop it. This is a new style.
Order filled.
I did this before. I forget how it worked. We're just gonna watch this. Yeah, we're just gonna trade off it. I'm not even looking at the chart right now. Oh, did we go along there? We did. And that worked nice. Alright. So, what I noticed there was like, these are all double digits, and these are all single digits. Yeah, I need a vertical monitor. Like next week. You watching those fish, Booba Kitty? You watching the fish? You're busy. Oh, I lost focus on the dom. The super dom. The super dom is all these extra contracts. The regular dom only gives you 1. I imagine nobody even uses this when it's just got 1. Oh, that looks weak. By the point where you think it's gonna get like the block, like it's gonna stop. Like right up here. I don't like it anymore. Took too long. Oh, it's all thin. It's all thin in here. Just singles. Push up, and then push back down. Get that accordion. Let's see that accordion. Boom! These are all singles. Get through it. Oh, see, it's sailing away now. It's getting. Now we got back up in there. Oh, okay, I was wrong on that. No, I was right if it came up, because it went flying down when I wanted down. Oh. Yeah, I need to be able to see more. A lot of thins. Thins here too. Now, which way is this thing going? Okay, just kind of bounce around in here. Those all thins. Oh, they all you know, maybe I'm like too far away. I want to watch the tape, see what I did on that first one. What did I see? Close. Oh, man, look at it. Look at it right there. So I want to be in the thins, I think. I'm going up like 2 or 3 high. Pay attention to the thins. Yeah, don't force it. Feel the groove. Feel the flow. Down here.
Order filled.
Just want to. Come on, I'll bump you down.
Order filled.
Look at that. 120. Feel it. Who's going to teach you this? Nobody's teaching you this. Nobody's teaching you this. I've been sports betting off a Dom for like 20 years, so this is like the most natural thing I've ever seen. Maybe not 20, but 12. There's your pushback. Oh! Oh, look at that little accordion. Look at that accordion. Yeah, this is... I should just watch this all day. I'm going to be seeing this in my sleep. Kind of got away from the Dom after first few days. I was drawing charts and lines and making stories. There's no story to this. It's just ebb and flow. Pushback, battles, wars. Retailers. Yeah, this is all, see, it's the accordion push I want to see. That's a lot of... Yeah, so it's like I found there's a block there, right? Like clear everything out. That was a lot of contracts just kind of like blocked up in a row, and it repelled it. So I want to get in the thins. Come on, give me another one. Right.
Order filled.
We're going to lose one of these eventually. We're only taking 100s and we're losing 150s. So that could get costly. Oh my god. Oh, it's like...
Stop filled.
So what do we... let's just see. Let's see how we're doing here before we... Thinking we're geniuses. Okay, so we won 3. We won 105. Yeah, we gave up on that. We won 120. So we're up 280-ish, and we lost 150. Alright, and I should probably watch this too. Give a little... If going to 25 on this, I'll put it on the stop if it starts working, because I want to lose less on these because of the nature of it.
Order filled.
Push through that. Now, why is it so hard to move that? Yep, just take your wins.
Order filled.
Nice. 110. Yesterday I was talking about the 4 C's. Composure, commitment, confidence, concentration. Do you know what this requires? Concentration, that is correct. You win a prize. 2 gold stars. Get the fuck out of here, gold stars. I want that fucking money. No, that was forced. Feel the group. Feel the flow. Watch it. Feel it. Be it. What am I looking for? I don't know. I need a bigger screen by Monday.
Order filled.
Push it up. Push it up.
Order filled.
Like that one. Feel the flow. I'm gonna get pulled out. Oh yeah. Oh, we got some big dogs. We saw some big dogs in there. Did you see the big dogs? I saw a couple of 40s. Oh, it is pushing now. Oh, it's losing steam big time. We can't even catch up to it. Let's push back from here. 3, 2, 1. Hang on, let it go. Let it go. So I said I'm a rookie trader, which is 100% factual, but I am a long season gambler. Successfully. Not huge, rich, frickin', but, you know, grinding, winning over long bouts of time. Risk management, understanding, just gambling things in general. It's kind of my world. It's been a world for a long time.
Order filled.
Oh, bad timing? Maybe. We'll push that one.
Stop filled.
Fair enough. Alright, reevaluate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What did we lose on that? Oh, 145. I thought we, didn't we change? I thought it came down to 25. So that should be 5 less ticks. That should be, 25 less dollars. So it is working. It's just losing. I gotta get the ratio right. I want to see this one more time. So 5 and 2. Yeah, we gave up on that. I don't know why that had to lose 150 and I should have lost 125. Sorry, 145. I should have lost 125. Yeah, so we gave up on that. So we call that, not even call that a win. Call it 4 and 2. Yeah, I didn't add that to that. Call it 4 2. Plus 105, plus 70, plus 120 is like, I don't know, my math is slow today. 270, 340, 550, call it 6, down 3, yeah, okay. Hey, don't you be touching my pewter. Next thing you know, you're gonna be firing bets in. All right, keep an eye on that too, right? Yeah, keep an eye on that. Okay, we're looking for a push here. Find the push in here. Well, there's the fucking push. It's right there.
Order filled.
Or not. Down. Reserve. Yes, look, minus 125. I think that might be called slippage. Alright. Oh, 58. Oh, I don't like that. Let's just get off this. Oh, or not. I don't know why these things just don't move sometimes. I don't like this bet anymore. Why up to here? 65 bucks.
Order filled.
Are we really going to get balls to the wall here and do this? Yeah, we are. What's our record again on this? We are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 2. Taking less money, but yeah, we're gonna do it. We're doing 2 contracts. We're gonna play the deadly game. We're gonna cut it down to 20. 5 points down, 7.5 points up. 2 contracts. Feel the flow. Feel the flow. I need a bigger screen. I don't think just because there's a bunch of double-digit numbers in there, I can't get through it. But that kind of is part of it. It's not getting through. Oh, there it is. Fight. Get through. Push up. Push down. Push up. Push down.
Order filled.
What's our profit? 300. That's way too much. We're on 2 contracts, but what's our loss?
Order filled.
Oh yeah, what do we have in there? 130. All right. All right.
Order filled. Order filled.
Feel the flow. Come on up. Oh, it's so annoying sometimes.
Order filled.
240? No, we didn't. 240. Oh, yeah. This is fucking nice. Oh, this is nice. I love you, Dom. The super Dom. Damn right you are. Feel it. Watch it. Crinkle down, crinkle down. 1 push.
Order filled.
Crinkle up. Oh, you're a bitch. We're chasing. Alright, let's put it back up here again.
Order filled.
Yeah. 120. It didn't drop there fast enough. Alright, let's go. Feel the flow. Watch it. Watch the Dom. The super Dom. Yeah, I know. It's super. Is this enough? Eh. Watch it. Feel the flow. Accordion. Accordion. Pushing. Accordion. Cat's sleeping like he's got his head on my computer right now. It's pretty damn cute. Yes, Booba Kitty, you're very cute. Alright. You got peace. Got me talking to you. Oh, yeah. You got birds chirping in the background. Yeah, you're in love right now, aren't you, Booba Kitty? Huh? Yeah, you got some squints. Alright. Hey, I'm watching the Dom here. The super Dom. I didn't even watch this. Let's check this out one more time, shall we? Holy shit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 2. Now, is that luck? Is that just scalping? Or am I actually seeing what I think I'm seeing? Then can I just trade like this? I'll just get one screen, super dom. Feel it. Oh, I was gonna push it there and I didn't. Shit's weak. Green.
Order filled.
God, give me that.
Order filled. Order filled.
180. Oh, you're trying to get some strength down in here now? You're trying to show us you're tough? You're fucking weak. Hey, don't go rolling on my computer too much. I don't want you. Oh, you were getting strength. I have like an innate aversion to green. Like I said, I'm a semi-quasi-professional bettor. In my opinion, you bet under. Like, you're betting things, you want to bet a total, and you don't know what you're doing, bet under. A better chance of winning. So to me, red is under, green is over. Are you done? Oh shit, that's a big one. Yeah, you were fucking done. Yeah, you were done.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah.
Order filled.
At that time. 120. Oh, you guys. Oh, those the big boys up there. Holy shit. Got away. That's pushing. Ain't no accordion there. That's a fucking push. More push. Oh, yeah. Oh. Push back. So what am I seeing here? I'm seeing pushes and I'm seeing accordions. They both work for me. Don't touch any buttons, Booba Kitty. Buttons are lava. You don't know what lava is, you don't know what buttons are. Hey, I'm trying to watch the Dom. The Super Dom. Sorry. What are we doing here? Holy fuck, what? What the heck's going on here? I stopped paying it. $700? I'm tempted to go to the... Oh, right, we're doing twos right now. I'm tempted to head back to the micro, but... Let's push a couple more. Alright, battling. Okay, there's battling, accordions, pushes. Up, down, sideways. Battles are sideways. Accordions can be anyway, it doesn't really matter. It's just but I'm trying to catch the accordion up, or I'm trying to catch the push. That's a note for me. We get this to $1,000. I'm fucking packing this up, having a nap, heading home to see my family later on today. A couple hours away. Oh, that was an accordion. If I ever saw one. Let's cut down to one. I don't want to get back my profits. I'm walking out here at $500 today with the worst case scenario. Right, Booba Kitty? Hey, Booba Kitty? You don't grunt when you're half asleep. Push in. Oh, resistance. Get it?
Order filled. Order filled.
Minus 100, that's fine. Plus. So you don't want to get greedy on these, right? You're just taking accordion pushes. No. Did we get this one wrong? We did.
Stop filled. Stop filled.
One more of those, and I'm going to call it a day. And head to the weekend trying to figure out when I watch this video again. Time is it? Oh, 11. Oh, it's early. Falling. At least now I can't fucking draw a stupid line that makes no sense. So that's pushing. I know. And then maybe when this is a note for me, maybe when you see pushing, say once or twice, maybe it tends to push more than once or twice. And that's what these are. These aren't accordions. These are pushes. These are accordions. I'm kind of not feeling, I'm kind of lost where I was. Oh, push. And that's hard too, because you gotta slide it up and down, and you're like, you might miss some of this when you're sliding it. Like that. So let's find one more. I'm just glad I went down to 1 before I lost that $100. That was nice. Oh. I couldn't see what was happening. Was that a push or an accordion? Oh, what? Exactly.
Order filled.
No, shit. Sliding away from us. Let's just try and get something here. Once I see it like over 50, I'll drop it. No, I don't like this one anymore. Get it.
Order filled.
We dropped it. What we got? That might have been an evener. 40. So now do I have 1.5 bets to lose? I do. Because I'm trying to stay above 500. And this is, one of the biggest tricks of the goddamn mind, casino, whatever. I want to walk away with 500. And you get to 490. Something happens and you piss away and you're at 490. You're like, I want to get back to 5. And next thing you know, you're down 500 because you wanted $10 more. I don't do that. If I say I want to get to 5 and I go down to 490 by accident or 480, I'm walking away with 480. I'm not pushing one more bet. Then if I lose that, I'll be down to 4 or less in the 3s, and then you're way far, and then it's all just sideways. You're angry, and they win. Don't let them win. Don't let them win. Alright, you need to shut up and just watch this. Stop distracting me. What are you thinking about, Booba Kitty? He woke up. He's sitting there on the table looking at me now. Battles. Accordion push. Boom. Pull. Battles. battles. I kind of lost frame there because it came down, but I think that was all just battles. Accordion push up to here. Nope. Oh, is that pushing? Pushing. Pushing.
Order filled.
Oh, you are pushing. Look. Maybe I should watch that. Oh, losing. Come back. Come back. Let's get another 50 and then.
Stop filled.
That's enough. Not 500. Better luck next time. Alright, let's check the tape on that, shall we? Alright, so I think this was my last loss. Is at 10:25, and this was probably a time later. Yeah, I kind of feel like this is when I won the first one. That's why I kept on doing it. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow. 9, 10, 11, 12. And some of those are halfies. You know, I could probably take 2 of those off, put them onto there, and make those bigger. So 10, 12, whatever you want to call it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Went from minus 200 to plus 700. Yeah, because I was 2 and. Remember I was 2 and 4, and I said, "Oh yeah, I'm 1 and 3." Wow, 530, 1,200, whatever, $102,512, and I started with 100,000 1 week ago today. So today is technically day 6, and we are halfway there. Now that's something to think about. I'm going to watch this tape 2 times this weekend. Look, these are short. Look how short they all are. So let's see. So we started 2. So we won our first. Then we went 1 and 3. We took a tie. So win that. Lose that. Win that. Oh, hold on. What's going on here? 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, because there's 2 and 4. There's 2 and 4. At 12 after. 1, 2. Well, maybe I did lose the first one. Hold on here. What the? Why am I being so retarded right now? Oh, you don't know it? I don't know. This is today, right? Yeah. Oh, the MNQ. That's right. So yeah, I went on the MNQ at one point. Here, I traded 4 contracts. Maybe that's... Nah, that should probably be here. Oh, but it isn't. Look, 175. Win 150. Where's the minus 62? It's not there. So 1 and win. 1, 2, 3, 4 losses. These must have been... I don't know, man. I'm confused right now. Any times the same? No. Alright, where's my 4 losses? 1, 2, 3, 4. There's my 2 wins. There's a tie. Alright. So... Oh, fuck, I lost it again. Oh my god. This needs to get bigger! Can I make this part bigger? Alright, that's my 4th loss. Then we win. Yeah, man, that was nice. Win 3, lose 1. Win 2, lose 1. Win 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? 6 wins in a row? Then cut it back. And these were 2s. These were double contracts. And then I was like, okay, that's six. I wasn't thinking, but I felt like intuitively that I had won a lot in a row. I was like, that's enough. Don't want to wreck my profits. Went down to 1, gave back 185, and we're walking away fucking winners, son. Winners. Yeah. Oh, look at that. We missed it. Let's hop on. No, just kidding. All right. That's nice. End of the day. Final record, 14-8. Ooh, son, that's the way we do it. All right, turning this off. Everyone, have a good day and happy trading.